So what's important and what is the thing we are learning here? E means expected value, okay, and V are, this is the variance. So when we have E A X B, it means we have two and more random variables and we are combining them. So how do we combine? So we have, this is the formula, E inside bracket Ax plus B. X is a random variable and B two other parameters. So you will open this A times expected value of X and plus B. And in case of the variance, if you look at variance of Ax plus B, join Ax plus B, this is A square and variance of X. B is not playing any role in case of variance, right? V is not playing any role only. But Agnes, if A is negative, we will do the square of negative. Sometimes A may be negative. Suppose A is -2. So you will do -2 and its whole square.
So it's gonna be positive.
Yes, yes. So always it's gonna be positive. Okay. We will take the some examples. For example, if we do this question number 2 first, like I will do, uh, or let's we start from the 13E, the first, no problem. We have see that the random variable f is such that we have E expected value of 3f plus 1 equals to 6, right? And variance is also given this one. Okay. And secondly, we have variance of 3.1 minus 2f equals to 7. So calculate EF and variance of. So we will use this formula. Expected value 3, right? It will be 3 expected value of f plus 1 equals to 6. Understanding, guys? Because using this formula, what I am using this formula for this, for expected this one. So it means 3 times of expected value of f's, and then okay, and 6 is already given. So we can solve this equation, and when we solve this equation, this becomes uh, 3 times of EF equals to 6 minus 4. So EF equals to EF equals to this 5 and over 3. So we have got the expected value of random variable f equals to 5 over 3. Second, we have this one. Now we will for this variance, we will use this formula. This is the formula of variance. So we will apply this formula over here. So this becomes variance, right? So what is the formula? A square. Yeah. Just see, it will be -2 its whole square. Variance of f equals to 7. Remember what I told you. If sometimes a may be negative, like it's negative. So we have to do square of the this whole number, -2, right? So this will be variance of f will be, this is 7 and it's 4 plus 4, and when you will shift it will be in division 7 over. What did 3.1? Yeah, that's important. Here, if you look at in the formula, this b, this constant term or parameter is not playing any role to change the variance, right? So here also this 3.1 will not play any role. Only the number which is with the random variable, right, is 2f. So 2 with the f random variable, it's playing a role to change the variance. But if there is a constant, it will not play any role, like here in the form. Okay. So now we take some more question. Is this much clear? Let's be more question. Yeah. So for example, let's we discuss question number 2. Question number 2 is what? C and D are two independent Poisson random variables such that here EC is given. EC is given 3 value of random variable c is 3 and expected value of d equals to uh, no, oh sorry, it's a variance, sorry, right? Variance of mm, variance of. So we have to find out question number. We have to find out expected value of 9c minus 4d. 9c minus 4d, right? So expected value, it means 9 expected value of c as per the formula minus 4, right? Expected value of d. But if you look at this one, what this we have expected value of c, but we don't have expected value of d. So Agnes, in this case, what we can do us to understand? So I'm writing on the board. I mean here, this one. Uh, this is the Poisson distribution. This is Poisson distribution. Okay, this is what in Poisson distribution. If you guys remember, Agnes, there is one thing which remain common for all. What is that? In Poisson distribution, expected value is equal to variance, is equal to the alpha parameter. So either here in Poisson distribution, only Poisson distribution, right? Either expected value or variance, same. Understanding? So if a variance of d is this one, variance of d equals to 6.1, it means the expected value of d is also 6.1. It's only in Poisson distribution, right? So in Poisson distribution, right? Uh, expected value and variance same. In parameter is also same. Similarly, what you can do, if EC equals to this 3, it means variance of C is also 3, right? So what we can write, we can write 9 and EC is how much? 3. 9 times 3 minus 4, and ED is what? ED is this much, 6.1. So this we solve this one, 20 and 4 and 24.4. Right? Wait. This, and you subtract this one, and then you get the answer, right? I think, can you? So variance of d as per the formula. Agnes, there is not any coefficient with the this one here, right? D. It's only the variance of d plus. But here you see there 0.2. It means 0.2 its whole square and variance of c. Okay, guys, variance of. So variance of d is given 6.1, and this is 0.04, right? 2 to the 4 and 2 plus decimal, and c is given 3. So 6.1 and 3 4 are 12.12. So this is 6.22. This will be 6.22 will be the variance of this D and C. So what we are going to here, we are combining two different random variables. D and C are two different random variables, right? So we can add them, we can subtract them. In this, what we are learning? We are learning how to either add or subtract, or we can say how to combine. Theoretically, how to combine and what is the mathematical. So whenever we combine two random variables, there will be change in their mean and variance. How to find out that mean and variance? This is the math. Okay, right? We take some more examples, and I think it will be then much clear for you. So we have here three variables, random variable u, then x and w. We have to combine their expected value. So we will use the formula. When you open, this will be the expected value of u, then 4 times expected value of x minus 2 times expected value of w. Okay, and we will look this table here, the addition table. Here expected value of u is 4.01. 4 times expected value of x is 7.81. 4 times 7.81 and minus 2 times expected value of w is 12.9. 12.9. So we will calculate this one with the help of calculator, and then we will write the final answer. The basic thing we have understood, how can we combine two and more variables in respective of their expected value and variance. Okay. So one question of variance we can take. Uh, so guys, look here. So we open use. How do we open this? This we will write 2v. So coefficient of v is 2. So square of 2 and variance of v plus square of 0.8. Okay, and variance of u minus not minus, please be careful, plus square of negative 0.9 and variance of x and plus variance of w. Here very important here, see there is a negative sign. What we are considering, this we are considering it's 0.09 minus 0.09, negative 0.09. So I will write plus and then I will write here negative 0.09, and then I will write its values. So square of 2 is 4 and variance of v is 0.4, right? And this is 0.64, and time x, variance of x is 2.11, 2.1, and then this is positive, right? It's positive 0.81. Variance of x is how much? 2.11, and plus variance of w, it's 3. It's 3. With the help of calculator, we will simplify this one. So this will be the variance of these. This time we have 4 random variables. Okay, so this is the way to find out the variance of combined random variables.